They take away up to 95% of all our waste, as opposed to that going to landfill. In Salon, we have a couple of different bins that we use. One for hair, one for plastic, one for metal. We collect all that up and kind of separate it. And then they further process that down the line. So they pick it up and it goes down to their depot. All right, that's then sorted into different resources. So into hair, plastic, metal, paper. Those resources are then sold off, and the proceeds of that actually go to Kiwi Harvest. So we have the separate bins here, and then we have another big purple bin out the back. Then they come and collect that once every 2 weeks. So hair actually gets stockpiled, and it can be used in oil spills. So it actually gets stuffed into like a giant tite, and it can be used to clean up oil spills across the coastlines. Other than that, it also gets used for composting. All the products that we use by Davines, they're all fully sustainable. They're all recyclable. The plastic that we use gets transformed into kind of garden furniture. Metal gets kind of recycled and sold off as well. Davines, being a fully sustainable company and all natural products that we use here, is all water safe anyway, including our colour that we use at our salon. But Sustainable Salons do actually collect all those chemicals. They have a specific chemical waste bucket that you pour everything into, and that gets recycled into clean water and used for construction. So we've been partnered with Davines for I think maybe 3 years, but Sustainable Salons is very recent. Originally we planned to have it come in just before lockdown. Obviously that got put on hold, but yeah, so it's been about a week after lockdown that we brought in everything, started doing all that. There being kind of a bit of a recycling issue in New Zealand, kind of wanted to do as much as we can there's no point having a fully sustainable product line if you're not going to be sustainable yourself. For us, for Sustainable Salons, is not to just make ourselves sustainable, but to also encourage our clients and everyone else out there to get more sustainable as well.